Hello everyone, let's begin with a book that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 28, Indian Women. Now in this chapter, you have to complete the statements with the help of the help desk. For example, they have given in the first question, Dash was the first woman president of Indian National Congress. That means this is the respective hint given about that Indian woman, and you have to write the name of these women over here in the blanks. So let's begin with the exercise. Let's begin with the first one, and the first one in the blank is Dash was the first woman president in the Indian National Congress, and the answer for this is Sarojini Naidu. Then next is Dash was the first woman ambassador of India to another country, and the answer is C.B. Muthamma. Next is Dash is the first woman president of National Stock Exchange, and her name is Chitra Ramakrishna. The next is Dash is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest, and she was Bachendri Pal. The next is another lady who is the first Indian woman to scale the Everest twice, and the answer for this question is Santosh Yadav. Next we have Dash is the first Indian woman to be appointed as civilian police advisor at the UN, that is United Nations, and the answer is Kiran Bedi. Seventh is Dash is the first woman who became a 3-star general officer of Indian Armed Forces, and the name of that woman is Punita Arora. Let's move further to the 8th question. The 8th question is Dash is the first woman to swim across 7 important seas, and the name is Bula Chaudhary. The last one, that is the 9th one, is Dash is the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India, and her name is M. Fatima Bibi. M. Fatima Bibi. Let's now do the your answer please question, and the question says, who is the most inspiring woman in your life? So children, you have to write the name of the person, the woman who is most inspiring in your life, and why do you admire her? आप उन्हें क्यों admire करते हो? Write the reason for your answer over here. Then we move to the quick fact, and the quick fact says that International Inspirational Women Awards 2023 is an initiative by GISR Foundation that recognizes the potential of women change makers. So this was all about the famous women personalities of our country. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video and take care and goodbye.